There's a feeling you get when you hit the road with your friends. The freedom, the laughter, and the beauty around you. On this day, we set out to explore one of Kenya's most breathtaking views, the Subukia Viewpoint in the Great Rift Valley. As we cruised through these stunning curves, the drone captured every twist and turn, nature blending perfectly with the road. The higher we climbed, the wider the view opened up. And then, the view, the mighty Rift Valley, stretching far and wide, peaceful and powerful at the same time. A moment of silence hit us, just taking it all in. With good friends by your side, every stop becomes a memory. We laughed, we took photos, and we stood in awe of how beautiful Kenya truly is. This is more than just a journey. It's a reminder that the best views come after the winding roads. Subukia Viewpoint, where the sky meets the valley and memories are made.
This is the kind of place you visit with the people you care about. A perfect stopover to breathe, laugh, and create unforgettable memories. If you've never been here, put it on your list. Subukia Viewpoint isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs a break, and hit that subscribe button for more beautiful journeys from the sky.